We just launched a couple of new products in this line. This product line was launched in North America in April at Coverings 2025, and then we just relaunched another set of products just at TICE back in at the end of January. So again, I introduced myself. This is Mochi with Tile Ace, and we have Sho over here, who's our resident expert and our guy in the lab, and he's becoming an amateur tile guy himself. So, Chemical Concepts, a little background on this product. Chemical Concepts has been looking for a trowelable grade, one component adhesive. We've been having product development for this for quite a long time because fabricators were coming to us with lots of challenges, particularly around large format porcelain. And it's not just limited to large format porcelain. We've got the 6mm porcelain, 8mm porcelain, 12mm, 2cm stone. People are doing vertical panels and looking for ways to mount them, whether it's large fireplaces or shower installations, particularly shower installations. And tile guys are used to using thin set, but fabricators are really often not in the habit of using thin set. There's a couple issues with thin set. So especially when it comes to large format, thin set works great for typical smaller tiles. But when you get into large format, especially in different parts of the country, you're in Arizona, and you have to back butter both sides, you have to mix it, you have to open it on site, pour water, mix it properly, back butter the tile. Now you've got a big panel that's the entire large panel in a typical bathroom replacement, a typical bathtub replacement. And now you've got your 6mm porcelain that's twice as heavy because you've loaded up with thin set. And by the time you do all that, your thin set's kicked, and you got to start all over and scrape it off. So there's a need from fabricators for long open time products, for ready-to-use products. People don't like the idea of dust and silica and introducing dust in the homeowner's house, so we wanted ready-to-use liquid products that were easy to apply, easy to clean, and performed really well. So we worked with our supplier base to develop this product, and we found it already existed, and it existed in Japan. And that takes us to Cemedine. Cemedine is a multi-billion-dollar Japanese conglomerate, and they own the Tile Ace brand in Japan. And in Japan, this is the #1 tile adhesive brand in Japan. So this is proven technology that's been used for 30 years, over 30 years. Even the high-speed Tokyo subways that's holding porcelain panels around. Because Japan has porcelain tiles, but they also have earthquakes. So the cementitious technology that we primarily use in the United States of dirt in a bag does not perform appropriately for exterior projects, for interior projects under high vibration. So that's where these guys have the competency, and it's the best in the world. So show this, what I'm just going to be demonstrating here, it's a little background for why this product exists. This is Tile Ace Max, and Tile Ace Max is our flagship product. It's our kind of general purpose thin set replacement. As you can see, it is ready to use right out of the tub. There's no mixing, there's no dust. And this is an indoor-outdoor product. So this product can be used for exterior claddings, exterior use, or interior. It can be used in showers, and you can get 100% coverage. You can see it trowels on, it applies really easily. He's going to start troweling it in a moment. And this is really works very well for these for shower applications or any application where you're taking dimensional stone or thin porcelain or any material and laminating it to a wall. So he's starting to get the material out there. And the Tile Ace Max comes in different packages. We have these 1-gallon containers that he's working with right now. I don't think that's really a practical size, but really that was developed for sampling because it's a new technology that we wanted to get in front of customers. So if you're interested in trying, we can send you these 1-gallon samples, enough to kind of do a small test. The main option is the 3.5-gallon size. And so that's a good option for your typical installations. And then we also have this material in a 20-ounce sausage product. So that's a foil pack that's low waste. They use this kind of packaging in Japan a lot, and they can easily cut the end, extrude it out. You can also use it with battery guns in the 24-hour shower market. This is a huge innovation where we can rapidly apply without using trowels, without getting materials dirty, without wasting labor time. And we have a multi-head spreader that we'll show you that can apply a trowel pattern directly out of a battery gun and eliminate the troweling process altogether. And so we'll be demoing that at future demos. We didn't have that gun handy to bring here. We really just wanted to show you the traditional installation. So yeah, as you can see, it's super easy to work with, it's super fast. I mean, thin set is certainly more economical. This is not a inexpensive product, but a lot of the products and solutions that we bring to market are really catered around bringing down labor costs, because you know, in shower installations, in bathroom installations, in countertop installations, it's pretty typical that, you know, your consumables are maybe what, 3-4% of the cost of the job, and especially in that 24-hour bath market where time is at a premium. You know, the average homeowner, the middle-income homeowner has maybe one shower, and they can't afford to be without a shower. So if you can offer an installation method that allows the person to come in the morning and have a fully installed shower by that afternoon, you know, people are willing to pay for premium materials that save labor. So, hold on.
So my name is Mochi from Cemedine. As Andrew said, Cemedine is a Japanese adhesive company. So what the highlight of this TILE ACE Max is that it has an open time of 16 minutes. I think the thin set has only 20 minutes, so you can widely spread and then put the tiles on. So once you apply the tile adhesive, you may go for a coffee break or lunch and come back, but still it is workable. You can apply the tiles after the break. And also, yes, you don't have to butter both sides. You can either butter it on the board side or on the tile. So only one side is okay. So now Shao is going to apply a 2 by 2 feet tile. Oh, okay. He may need to add more adhesive on the wall. So again, this is a one component adhesive. So there's no pre-mixing. So you can keep the working space area clean, and also it's very efficient. You may save the labor cost as well.
What's the trowel recommendation?
Yeah, so for small size tiles, you may use the 1/8 inch notch trowel, and for large size, you can use a 1/4 inch, and a large format size, you can use more than 1/4 inch notch trowel. So now he's applying a 2 by 2 feet tile. This is a porcelain tile onto the wall. So as you can see, right after you apply the tile to the wall, there will be no sagging. So you have about 60 minutes for the adjusting time. So after 60 minutes, it will be pretty much cured. And by overnight, it will be cured enough. So again, this is a moisture curing. If you're going to apply this adhesive into much colder or drier places, it might not cure as much as it will cure a little bit slower. So once you apply it, you may need to pressure a little bit to collapse the ridges.
Yeah, and as you can see, the material is very workable. It's very easy to remove. It's very easy to clean. You can clean it with just denatured alcohol or acetone. Both of those products makes it very easy to remove while wet. While we're waiting for that tile, that adhesive to set up right there, here we're going to demonstrate some other materials to show the different materials it sticks to. It sticks to metal, it sticks to porcelain, it sticks to glass. So here you see examples. We're showing some mixed materials. So it's not exclusively for large format, but it does work very well for large format, as you can see. This is now being manufactured in the U.S., so it is a Japanese technology, but it's being manufactured in Cincinnati, Ohio. And we've reformulated the Japanese products that have multi-decades of track records of performance in Japan, but with domestic raw materials. So these are domestic reformulations of tried and true. So while it is a new product, they're basically Americanized versions of long-standing products that have been in use in Japan. And in Japan, they'll use this is kind of the North American version of a product in Japan called Tile Ace Pro, and they could use the same application exterior for doing groutless designs, doing bricks directly to the exterior of a building. So you could just trowel this to the exterior of a building and apply the bricks. Especially with these thin porcelains, we get a lot of calls from fabricators that are looking for solutions for exterior facade work where they do want those thin set products and something that will perform in those environments. And again, when you look at the high-speed trains going through Tokyo, or the many buildings that have been through earthquakes with this product, I think the track record is quite impressive there. This product also has excellent sealing resistance, and we've benchmarked it against other products on the market, other one-component ready-to-use tile adhesives. So if you're looking for a good product that has excellent sealing characteristics, there's that green strength, this product does that. So anyway, that's the demonstration of Tile ACE Max. There are